We interrupt this program for a civil danger alert update. Around 9:11 a.m. Swallow Rock mean time. The creature which was previously spotted near Willowbrook early this morning at around 1:09 a.m. was spotted near the now vacant Hawthorne Vale. It is reported that the creature has entered the village. Law enforcement and the military have started to arrive on the scene, and investigation is underway. It is strongly advised to avoid the region as events continue to unfold. If you have any information regarding the crime, please contact local law enforcement. Again, please contact local law enforcement.